Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another interesting piece of furniture I'm showing you here. Design as such is selected by the client, and it has got four nice big heavy pillars with a nice work on the top as well and a bottom platform. This one can be used as a crockery unit, as a showcase, as a bar unit, and again, it depends on the client how they want to use it. It can also be converted to a bookshelf with shelves to be placed here, and it has got multiple uses. Once we place the glass shelves, now the glass shelves would be as per the requirement again. If we are looking for something like a bar, then the space has to be adjusted accordingly. For the books, we have to keep the smaller space comparatively. And for showcase again, wherever you want to keep your mementos or the shield or the insignia, whichever item you want to keep accordingly, the shelves would be placed. Now this unit can be an entirely open unit. Simply shelves has to be put, or you can place a glass at the back and it works like that way. How you want to use it, that depends on you. Again, how the client would use, uh, that's their choice. This one is also going to Bangalore in light walnut matte finish. The size is 3 feet outer, width is 22 inches, the height is 8 feet, exactly the size that the client required. If you want a different size, that can be done. Why I'm showing this is for the sole reason that we customize the furniture. Now, if you want any particular item and you're not getting anybody to make it, and the item is in carving, this carving work that you see here, we don't make plain furniture, but carving work we can do very well. That's our speciality and our niche also. So if you're looking for something unusual or a different thing, or you have something in mind, you have some hand-drawn item, or you want something to be in a particular shape and size, we can do that for you. You can contact us and we'll make that for you. Just like this piece of furniture, the client had something in mind and we made it. This is going along with a lot of other items. I've shown a few items earlier, a few items I'll show in further videos. Related to Bangalore, and we deliver everywhere in India. We deliver outside India. For the prices, you can contact us. You can visit our website artsandwoods.com. There are a section for everything: sofas, beds, dinings, wardrobes, crockery units, and dressing tables. Everything has got a section with the temples as well. So there you can see our variety of furniture we are making. Almost 540 plus videos we have on YouTube. So there you can check our variety also with the detailed explanation on everything for the colors and the other aspects as well. If you have any question, you can contact us. The number is there in the video, in the description also, and on the website also. If you want to give any feedback, please put in some comments. We'll be happy to answer the queries. Thank you.